Hello and welcome to Effing About. Today we're going to look at how to remove and replace the radio. There's many different radios fitted to different variants of MGF, as well as ones that have been aftermarket fitted by previous owners. So in the case of my radio here then, as you can see there's no holes down the side, so my one's nice and easy. We simply can grab hold of it and pull it out using two hands. On some radios then, when you look at the face of the set, what you might find is two holes, one here, and they'll also be the same on the other side. In this case what you need is almost like a tuning fork kind of arrangement. You push it into those holes and the radio will pull out. Other ones you might have is if you've got one hole on each side but it's a rectangular shaped hole, then you need keys that look almost like hooks which will push into the hole and enable you to pull the radio out. Once you've decided what kind of key you need, if any, to get the radio out, next thing we're going to do then is simply just pull the radio out using either the keys or just pulling it out, as in my one here. So there we go, now the radio's out. If we have a look in the back here, we've got a massive array of wires that we need to deal with. In the case of most cars, if we pull the cables a little bit further out, you can see we've got two ISO connectors there. So they're nice and easy, we can just clip them off just with one hand, remembering which one goes to which one. And the final one we've got then is this big black aerial cable, and this just simply pulls out like so. And your radio is now good to be replaced with whatever you're replacing it with. The only other thing we have part of this radio now is this metal cage that you can see I'm running my fingers around, which holds the radio in place. And there's certain bits of it which should be bent out to prevent the radio falling back too far into the hole. So to replace the radio then, we're just going to do the reverse of what we've done to remove it. So we offer the radio up, and I like to plug the aerial cable in first, because that way you won't forget to plug it in. Next thing we'll do, reach through and just retrieve our connectors. So we'll plug these back into the correct ones that they came out of. And now your radio is simply good to be pushed back into the hole. There we go then. So that's our radio back in. I hope you found it helpful, this video. Please like the video and feel free to comment on what else you'd like to see.